In the warmer waters of the Mediterranean, a completely different type of harvest takes place. The net is hauled onto the bright orange deck, revealing a spectacular, vibrant catch. Thousands of brilliant red shrimp, known locally as the red gold of the Mediterranean, spill out onto the wet planks. Their crimson shells glisten brightly under the intense sunlight, providing a stunning visual contrast to the deep blue oceanic waters surrounding the small vessel. Unlike the highly automated pelagic trawlers, sorting the delicate red shrimp requires a gentle, manual touch. Fishermen in yellow waterproof gear kneel on the deck, carefully sifting through the vibrant crimson pile. With practiced, swift motions, they pick out the premium shrimp, discarding unwanted bycatch and small fish. This meticulous, labor-intensive process is essential to preserve the fragile bodies and maintain the high market value of this delicacy. The fishermen's gloved hands move tirelessly through the massive pile of red shrimp. They carefully inspect each individual crustacean, separating them by size and pristine condition. The finest, unbroken shrimp are gently placed into clean, blue plastic crates. The intense sun beats down on the deck, highlighting the translucent, ruby-red shells. This careful sorting process guarantees that only the most flawless specimens make their way to high-end restaurants.
Watch out, coming through!
During the careful sorting of the red shrimp, the crew continuously encounters unwanted bites. Small, silvery fish and damaged crustaceans are swiftly tossed aside onto the wet, slippery deck. This unavoidable aspect of commercial trawling requires constant attention. The crew must work quickly before the intense sun degrades the quality of the premium shrimp. Every second counts as they expertly sift the valuable red gold from the chaotic mix of ocean debris. Once perfectly sorted and washed, the blue crates filled with premium red shrimp are quickly stacked and packed with crushed ice. Preserving their delicate texture and sweet flavor requires immediate, intense chilling. The vibrant red color of the shells glows against the white ice. These tightly sealed crates are then rapidly transferred into the vessel's refrigerated hull, ensuring maximum freshness is locked in until they reach the bustling coastal markets. Beneath the main processing decks
watch the
lies the
edge.
true heartbeat of the
That's clear,
factory
put it down.
trawler, the massive engine room, a labyrinth of thick silver pipes, heavy yellow motors, and complex exhaust systems fills the deafening, vibrating space. An engineer conducts routine inspections, navigating the narrow metal walkways. These colossal diesel engines provide the immense power required to propel the massive ship, haul the heavy nets, and run the energy-intensive freezing plants. Maintaining the complex machinery in the harsh marine environment is a never-ending task. A crew member wearing heavy ear protection carefully inspects a stainless steel centrifuge system. The continuous vibration, salty air, and heavy workload put immense strain on every single component. Preventive maintenance and constant vigilance are absolutely critical to prevent catastrophic breakdowns while operating thousands of miles away from the nearest repair facility.
Push it left. Okay, heave.
Quality control extends beyond visual inspection. It requires rigorous scientific analysis. In a pristine, brightly lit onboard laboratory, technicians test samples of the fish oil and fish meal products. Vials of golden amber liquid spin rapidly in an advanced centrifuge machine. This crucial chemical analysis ensures the final commercial products meet strict international health and safety standards, guaranteeing premium quality for the global consumer market.
I got it. Keep the tension. Watch the deck. It's slick.
Nothing goes to waste on a modern factory. The offcuts, heads, and bones from the filleting lines are thoroughly processed into highly valuable This rich, nutrient-dense powder is dried, milled, and packed into heavy commercial sacks bearing the Optimar logo. This highly efficient, sustainable approach maximizes the economic yield of the entire catch, transforming raw ocean byproducts into essential ingredients for global agricultural feeds.
Clear on the starboard side.
Working on the open deck of a commercial trawler is widely considered one of the most dangerous jobs on Earth. The fishermen are constantly battered by freezing winds, icy rain, and massive rogue waves. The heavy steel cables can snap with lethal force, and the slippery, shifting deck offers no secure footing. Despite these extreme, life-threatening conditions, the crew works with coordinated precision, relying on experience and absolute trust in one another. The arduous work of the factory trawler does not stop when the sun goes down. Under the harsh glare of industrial floodlights, the fishermen continue to haul and sort the heavy nets. The pitch-black ocean surrounds the vessel, isolating it entirely from the rest of the world. In this eerie illuminated bubble, the relentless cycle of shooting the net, hauling the catch, and processing the fish continues endlessly, driven by the intense demands of the industry.
Heave! Pull it up, ladies. Keep going.
Untangling a twisted net on a violently pitching deck requires incredible teamwork. Two fishermen in bright yellow gear struggle against the heavy, waterlogged green mat. They use raw physical strength to manually pull the netting over the slippery metal sorting table. Every movement must be synchronized to overcome the immense drag and prevent the delicate gear from tearing. It is a grueling, exhausting display of human endurance against the unforgiving elements. As one massive net is emptied into the holding tanks, another is already being prepared for deployment. The winches scream as the heavy steel doors are lowered back into the dark ocean, dragging the empty green mesh behind them. The crew has only a few moments to rest before the grueling cycle begins all over again. This relentless 24-hour rhythm dictates the lives of these fishermen, driven by the ceaseless pursuit of the ocean's elusive, silvery wealth.
Bring it back over the stern. We're ready to deploy.
After weeks navigating the treacherous, stormy seas, the massive factory trawler finally approaches the safety of the bustling port. The towering cranes and stacked shipping containers of the dock slowly come into view. The heavily loaded vessel, its deep freezer holds, packed to the brim with thousands of tons of frozen seafood blocks, slowly maneuvers toward the concrete pier. The exhausting voyage is over, but the complex logistical challenge is just beginning. The bustling port springs to life as the trawler docks. Massive shore-based gantry cranes swing into position, lowering their heavy mechanical spreaders into the ship's deep, frosty holds. Pallet after pallet of premium frozen fish is swiftly hoisted upward, transferring the hard-won ocean harvest onto waiting transport trucks and refrigerated trains. This highly synchronized, rapid unloading process ensures the cold chain remains perfectly unbroken and secure.
Vinga, estira fort. Vigila aquí. Ja quasi el...
From the icy depths of the distant ocean to the brightly lit aisles of modern supermarkets, the journey of this seafood is an incredible logistical feat. The frozen blocks are distributed globally, supplying restaurants, markets, and dinner tables across continents. The pristine quality maintained by the onboard factory ensures that consumers far inland can experience the fresh, authentic taste of the sea, highlighting the true marvel of the modern supply chain.
Good haul today.
Yeah, it's been a good haul today. Keep them coming.
The final destination of the arduous journey is the retail shelf. Neatly packaged fillets of premium frozen fish, vacuum sealed in clear plastic, are beautifully displayed under the bright supermarket lights. Crisp labels denote the high quality and origins of the catch. The consumer sees only the pristine, finished product, completely unaware of the raging storms, heavy machinery, and exhausting human labor that brought this oceanic bounty to their local store. As global demand for high-quality seafood continues to rise, the commercial fishing industry faces intense pressure to operate sustainably. Advanced trawlers now utilize highly selective netting and comprehensive data monitoring to significantly reduce unwanted balancing the urgent need for food production with the vital preservation of fragile marine ecosystems remains the greatest ongoing challenge for the future of the global commercial fishing industry. The sea remains a harsh, untamed frontier, yet human ingenuity continues to conquer its depths. The modern factory trawler stands as a towering testament to industrial engineering and resilient human spirit. Through pounding storms and freezing nights, these dedicated crews harvest the global food supply. Their relentless, dangerous work ensures that the vast, hidden wealth of the ocean continues to sustain and nourish populations across the entire modern world.